Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming essentials. Get the server IP or domain and confirm the port, usually 25,565. Check the exact Minecraft version and any required mods. Mismatches will block you. Make sure you're whitelisted or have the invite credentials, otherwise you can't join. Once you have credentials, open Minecraft, choose multiplayer, then click Add Server. Enter the name and address now. This is your first actionable step toward connecting. Now you configure the client and network. Ensure your computer's firewall or antivirus allows Minecraft, Java, EXE, or Bedrock app. Once done, test with Direct Connect using IP port. This bypasses server list caching. If you see version or encryption errors, match client mods and enable the correct protocol in launcher settings. For domain names, make sure DNS resolves to the server IP. If not, use the raw IP. Finally, to finish, click Join Server. If connection succeeds, play. If it fails, review the client log for handshakes or timeout messages. These tell you the why. Try a VPN briefly if your ISP or route blocks the server, and make sure you use the correct version and mods. If problems persist, collect your UUID, exact error message, and timestamp, then contact the server admin. One key tip: check the port and firewall first. Most issues are there.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.